can you uh, give
Okay.
a quick background of the two classes that we missed? Just overview.
So I have explained in last two classes how to design the page object model concept. So base page we created, then login page. So are you part of that login page development or not?
No, Ramesh.
Login page. Then so morning we developed the products page, and today we'll plan for cart page. So I have created a GitHub repo, Playwright hybrid framework. So this one, you have an entire code here. So you have all the code here. So we have, so it will test pages and everything is available. GitHub workflows also we created, but not yet completed. That we'll see that later. So these are all the even tests also. We haven't written any tests, but yeah, so we'll write that test later. So this, so if you want, right, if you want to use this, just you need to go to the, open this URL that I pinged in the, or
Mhm.
so WhatsApp. So you just go click on this. Either if you have a Git setup, just copy this and clone it. Simply before that, if you want to clone this, what you need to do is you have to download the Git. So download Git. So you have to do this Git download installation, uh, Git install for Windows. Just click on this
Mhm.
and you should have this precondition. So download it and you will install the Git. So once you install the Git, for example, let me install one more time so that you will get a familiarity with this. So it is downloading. So once it is downloaded, so you just need to double click on that to install that. So just double click and it will install. Click on that.
Yeah.
So you can do along with me. So that is also if you don't have a Git in your machine.
Yeah, Ramesh, I'm doing.
Yeah. So it will ask you to, do you want to make any changes? You can put a yes or no. It's up to you. Whatever you want, you can choose it. Whichever option you want. So let's see whether you got this or not. It should come automatically. So there it is. Let's put that. Just select yes instead of no. You will get a just small window. Yeah, like this you will get a small window. Then click on install.
Do we need to install 2.39 or the latest one, which is 2.53, Ramesh?
Anything is fine.
Okay.
Anything is fine. Okay, so it will take some time. Yeah. So now you see it is already available. So just click on finish. So once it is done, you just click on finish. So this is done. Once you
Sir,
install this
sir,
one, sorry,
sorry to bother. In between, there's a select start menu folder. I have to check that. Don't create a start menu folder.
no need,
Start.
you just click next only, nothing. So
Okay.
just go, you don't need to choose any options. Just go with the default options. Okay.
Okay.
If you have a doubt, share your screen. I will guide you if you are struggling.
No, installing. Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, the installation is complete, Ramesh.
Done? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you just install the Git, simply you can go to our so even our VS Code editor, and you can even you can clone also. So wherever you want, you can clone. Let me show you how to clone in the particular folder. So you can clone in your own folders. Okay. You can go here and see, I have cloned here under users, right? So anywhere you can clone. So public. See, I have created a track point, let's see, Playwright end-to-end framework, right? So you can clone anywhere here, or in your C drive also you can clone it. Simply, I have done this here, right? So this is the one. So all the folder structure, you can, let me show you in one place. I'll clone a dummy, this project. Then you can create one simple folder. Let me create a simple folder one. Git repos or something, I'll put it. Under that, I'll clone it. So go inside this folder. Simply go one folder you create anywhere. It's in C drive or C users place, anywhere, it doesn't matter. Now, once you reach that folder where you want to clone your code, where you want to download your clone, just right click. See here, open Git bash here, right? So when you right click, you will see these options. If you have already installed the Git, if you already install the Git, and you will automatically get that. So that is the best way to open this Git bash. Git bash is nothing but it opens a command prompt. So this command prompt will open with this folder. This is see exactly the folder path where you are cloning. Then just simply do git clone the URL, that is what we need to clone this from here. Just click on that, this green button in the GitHub. So how to reach this GitHub is open github.com, create an account with your email ID, and then or you just access directly. Later you can create an account. But as of now, you can just copy this HTTPS and then open this, paste this, Control V. Or you right click, paste it. So you'll get a, but make sure it is proper. So expand this. So all these junk characters, you remove all of them. .git only should be, and HTTP before there are some space, and so characters, unwanted characters, remove all of them. It should start with the HTTPS and till it git. Just enter key. Git clone, what it will do, it will clone the entire
Ramesh,
code.
can you give the command here, Ramesh?
Git clone.
No. The HTTPS, right? And that.
Let me paste this in the chat. Okay. So now the code is completely downloaded. You can see you will get like this. The code is downloaded 100%. So once it is downloaded, and you can go and see the code. So that place, see the Git repos, right? Just click on that. See, the entire code is downloaded here. So all the code is available. Now you can open that folder. So Playwright hybrid framework, right? That folder you can open, and entire code will be available for you. That is the simple way. Instead of you writing all this, the existing Git repos, how you can clone is, this is the process. Or if you don't know these Git commands, another simple way is you can download a zip file here. Download zip and unzip that, then you can use it. That's the easiest way. Another easiest way if you don't want to use Git commands. So regularly process. Once you write the code, try to work with these Git commands. Now let me show you. So now these are the commands. Generally, what commands you will use is these are the Git commands. Git status. Git status will tell you. So do you modify any files? So if I press it, it will say on which branch you are. It will tell you the branch name, and your branch is up to date with the origin main. Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. That means no file changes in this branch currently. That's the meaning of. So Git status will tell you, is there any files changed or not? If not changed, you will get like this. So suppose I am going to create one more file here. Let's create a new file. What is that? Cart page, right? Cart page .ts. Now do the same Git status. Now do the same. Now see, you will get an option here. The cart page is modified. See, untracked files. So that means this is the under pages folder. You created a cart page. So the changed files will be shown to you with the Git status in the current branch. So if you want to add these changes to your current branch, there is a git add command. So this is the one, git add dot means in the current directory, what are all the files are there, all files will be added. Or you don't want all the files, you want to add only particular files, just copy paste this path, only give that. So only give this. I don't want to put a dot. Dot means everything. I don't want all the files, only particular file I want to change. Then this is the option. Okay.
Ramesh,
So
I have cloned the framework that you gave me. After that, what I need to do?
So you open that folder, go to VS Code and file, open folder. That entire
Okay.
folder you open and you will get entire this structure here.
Okay.
Yeah. Shravani, you have any questions?
yeah, when you say a specific cart page, it will. I understand that we are committing something which is newly added.
Newly
But if
added or modified,
uh,
existing files you modified, anything you make a change in the current branch.
okay, if you add files, all the files, then there are already existing,
Only
right? It is
changed
again
files will be added, not all
taking
the files.
automatic. Okay.
Only
Now,
what
if suppose
changes.
the
See, this is the
command is given,
history. Git what it will do. History will be maintained. Previous commit, what changes you have. On top of that, what changes you made. Those changes will be shown here, Git status when you do.
okay, okay,
Not the entire files. So the existing files, on top of that, what is the new change you made? Only that change will be shown into that existing file. Not all the things already exist that code, right? Only current change will be shown to you. That is what this Git means, version control tool. It maintains the versions. It maintains the version history, commit history. It will be maintained to you. So that easily you can track who committed, what committed, and which code. Everything will be tracked easily. So if you didn't test the code and committed the code, they can easily track and find it out. Who made this commit, and so the committer name will be available there.
Sir, can you show the command prompt once again?
I pasted this command in the WhatsApp, this chat, Zoom chat.
Okay.
This command I have given. This command I have given in the Zoom chat.
Okay. It is telling no such file or directly. It means that it is not properly installed, sir.
What is no such file or
Uh,
what
I am
you
paying.
are doing? Just share your screen.
Okay. Okay. Git clone I have to write before write one.
So you share your screen, I'll guide you.
Sure. Sir, host disabled attendee screen sharing embed. Can you allow me?
I didn't get a request.
No, it is disabled attendee screen share.
It's what, can you request? So I didn't get a request to give the permission to you. So before I used to give access to multiple users. Now share settings.
We need to sign in, right, Ramesh? First,
The which
get,
one?
Git to access your project which you shared link.
If you have a GitHub account, you can log in. Otherwise, without GitHub account also, you can access this.
Let
No,
me
I
share my
could do it.
screen after
Sir,
Shravan.
I could able to do it. I did not give that git clone. I got it now. Thanks.
Yeah.
Monica, you can share, I guess. I'm able to proceed.
Okay, thanks, Shravan. Ramesh, shall I share, Ramesh?
Yeah, go ahead.
We'll
I'm
see
checking.
because this is real time issues everyone can learn.
Yeah. So
Can you give request?
Yeah, now I got it request.
Yeah, Ramesh.
Mm-hmm.
I have installed Git. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But I did not merge here with through VS Code. Can you just guide me first,
No,
or
you already
directly?
have, right? Why you don't need again? Okay, so otherwise you close this entire file, open folder, go to file,
Yeah, Ramesh.
open folder. Yeah, go to that location and give select that folder. Go inside that where you cloned it. Go inside. Go
No,
inside.
no, your project not yet cloned, Ramesh.
You have to clone. If you want my files, you have to clone it. Or otherwise, you won't get, right? It's not
Yeah, yeah.
connected to my Git repo.
Yeah. Let
You,
me
you have
first
to clone
clone.
it.
This is the one I opened here.
Yeah.
Say.
Now you have there, right? A green
Yeah.
color code. Click on
Yeah.
green color code. And then that is the one. Then go to open the Git bash. Already opened Git bash.
Yeah, Ramesh.
Here you give the command where you want to clone. Just do the PWD where you are. So you're in the right folder. Are you cloning in the right folder? Understand first. So
No,
you're
no.
in users HP. If you want to go to different folder, change the folder directory.
I need to copy to this project.
Now
Yeah.
you clone it. See git clone. Just do git clone. Just do git clone. No. Git
No,
or
path. I need to copy the path, Ramesh, first. Yeah,
no,
this one.
yeah, copy that. Go to git clone.
Now git to check out. Directly, I can go and
No,
change here. Right?
you can see the git branch. Just do git branch.
Git
Just
status.
do git branch. You do. If you are not in the same project, it will no. It will say it is not a git. So cd you just do cd tab it.
Yeah. Tab.
Just do a playwright. Just p you type. Tab it. Now you tab it. So you have a framework, Playwright hybrid framework. You have to go to that folder. But no, your folder is different. Again, this folder is different. Yeah, just give that folder. No, you just give CD Playwright. You type automatically. You will tab and automatically you will get that folder. Just tab it. Hyphen hybrid. You just give hybrid.
And yeah, Ramesh. Now.
Now you are in the main branch. Git.
Yeah.
Git status or Git branch you got. It will show you main branch.
No branch is up to date. And if the project me, so now I can open this in Visual Studio Code and directly work with
Yeah. Go to Visual Studio Code. Go to
Just 1
Visual
minute.
Studio Code.
Yeah. This is the project, right?
Yeah, go to Visual Studio Code first.
From here itself, directly I can open, right, Ramesh? Visual Studio Code, why it's not coming?
No. Go to the best option is go to that. Go to the VS Code.
Okay.
Go to the VS Code. That's easy. And then you open folder and open that folder. Go to the location where is your project. That folder inside you have Playwright Automation Framework. Right? Go inside. One more. That is the one you have to select. See, now you will get an entire code. Okay.
Yeah, Ramesh.
Now you are up to the so whatever we have in the GitHub.
Hmm. So daily now when I come to before, right, when I want to work, just I need to right click and get the up to like right.
You don't need to do now. Next time onwards, you don't need to do. If I push the code, you just need to do one
pull
command.
it, right? I
Pull.
need to pull, right, Ramesh?
Just git pull command you do. All the latest
Hmm.
changes you will get automatically.
Yeah, that's what I need to do.
Hmm.
Like whatever you update it, right? Everything I will get, I can run and I can add my code and I can push now.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
So that you will, if you can review and you can merge to the code really required.
Right.
That is what I am planning. There is one option, Ramesh. Actually, I don't know how to configure it. I can go to this particular folder, right click it. There is show more option, right, Ramesh? Here, the Visual Studio Code option itself, it will come. If I click open Visual Studio,
Open with
directly it
Visual
will.
Studio Code, you should get. There is. It's not showing for you.
Yeah, correct. Like if I can open it directly, I can no need even go to the Git branch, all those things. Directly I can push, create, push everything after cloning actually.
Okay.